Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Before we move on from our mullein series we just did, check out my last 3 videos. The links to those videos will be down in the description. I just want to show you what a great coal extender this mullein pith is, and we'll solar ignite it. So let's smash this last piece of that mullein and get the pith out of there. Oh, the wind's trying to blow it away.
Alright y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.